Can I disconnect my Microsoft account from Minecraft on PS4 without losing my progress?
Hello and welcome to this video. Today, we're going to discuss how to disconnect your Microsoft account from Minecraft on your PS4 without losing your progress. Let's dive right in.
Why would you want to disconnect your Microsoft account?
There could be various reasons why you'd want to disconnect your Microsoft account from Minecraft on PS4. These may include changing to another Microsoft account, privacy concerns, troubleshooting issues with the game.
Will you lose your progress?
The good news is that you won't lose your progress when disconnecting your Microsoft account from Minecraft on PS4. Your saved game data is stored locally on your PS4 and not tied to your Microsoft account.
How to disconnect your Microsoft account?
To disconnect your Microsoft account from Minecraft on your PS4, follow these steps. 1. Launch Minecraft on your PS4. 2. Navigate to the main menu. 3. Select Settings. 4. Go to Profile and then Account Management. 5. Select Unlink Microsoft account. 6. Confirm the action by selecting Yes. Keep in mind that after unlinking your Microsoft account, you'll lose access to cross-platform play, realms, and any purchased content linked to that account.
Reconnecting a Microsoft account.
If you want to reconnect a Microsoft account or link a new one, just follow these steps. 1. Launch Minecraft on your PS4. 2. Navigate to the main menu. 3. Select Sign In and follow the on-screen prompts to sign in or create a new Microsoft account. That's it. Now you know how to disconnect your Microsoft account from Minecraft on your PS4 without losing your progress. Remember that your game data is stored locally on your PS4, so you don't have to worry about losing your progress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day!